Well, on a lighter note, maybe things aren't so bad. Angry Birds lands in cars in collab with Mercedes-Benz. We can finally play Angry Birds in the car. I can't believe we couldn't do it sooner, dude. I want to feel like I'm on cloud 9 when I'm in my vehicle. This should be a sanctuary of gaming and flinging birds. I want to feel like I'm at Chili's on the Ziosk paying 99 cents a minute to fling those little birds, but in my Mercedes-Benz that I will be purchasing specifically for this reason. This is a console seller if there's ever gonna be one on a Mercedes console. Yeah, I don't know. This just seems like a joke article, but I figured, I mean, we talked about Angry Birds last time, dude. More Angry Birds news. You freaking shout out Pocket Gamer for keeping me in the know. Drive angry. Aside from the obvious, many cars manufacturers include multimedia aspects and the natural next step including mobile games. Is it the natural next step? Is it? How mobile is the game at that point? Because if it's in your phone, that's more mobile. I guess maybe it's a binary thing. I don't care anymore. Also, every time I use the word binary, I'm not talking about gender. Some people are insufferable. It's just a pet peeve of mine. I want to throw this in there. Have I said anything of substance? I hope so. Who is gaming in their car? What is the purpose of gaming in your car? It's just like a very... Like, I'm trying to think of a practical use. Like, does the passenger play the games in the car? That still would be distracting, no?